Well, last night we told you about a new super speeder law that's putting people in jail for driving 100 miles an hour or even 50 miles an hour over the posted speed limit.
Yeah, and tonight we are hearing from a defense attorney and former prosecutor who says Florida's new law may have some problems and could be challenged in court. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson joins us now live in Tampa with the very latest on the story. Jeff.
Good evening. The Florida Highway Patrol has sent us a number of videos of people driving well over 100 miles an hour. Those people are being arrested, cuffed, and taken to jail on the spot. But tonight, a defense attorney is telling us that the law may need adjustments to stand up in court. Take a look at this video from the Florida Highway Patrol. The video looks sped up, but this is what it actually looked like as a trooper pulled over a car for driving 111 miles an hour on the Bayside Bridge in Pinellas County. The driver is arrested as soon as they pull over. Most people would agree 111 miles an hour is excessive.
Who drives crazy to have to drive 100 miles an hour? That's insane. You want to go drag racing, go drag racing. The law is there for protection, you know?
Former Hillsborough County Assistant State Attorney Chris Castillo is now a defense attorney who, as a father, husband, and a person, agrees with the concept of Florida's new super speeder law.
I think personally the intent is great. We don't want people who are acting recklessly at that kind of speed on our roadways.
The law makes it a crime to drive 100 miles an hour or above, or 50 miles an hour above the posted speed limit. Castillo says the law has issues as it's currently written.
From a defense perspective, I have some concerns because it actually duplicates some of the other laws we have on the books.
He says flaws in the way the law is written make it possible for defendants to challenge their arrest at trial.
I think the statute itself isn't well written because it doesn't exactly state what type of a crime it is. It only states what the penalties are.
Castillo says he believes the legislature may need to make some tweaks to the law during the next session to avoid having cases thrown out. Back to you.
Jeff, so what changes could be made to this law?
Well, for one, this is why Chris Castillo is a defense attorney. It's his job to poke holes into laws like this. But he says there are already two laws on the books that kind of cover this area, and that is reckless driving and racing on the highway. He says both of those laws need to be harmonious with this existing law, and he says this law needs to spell out what the crime is, not just what the punishments are.
Quite the process. All right, Jeff Patterson live for us. Thanks so much, Jeff.